So last year I brought you the R160G, R68G, the 4 and 5 lines on the R142s. What have I got you this year as requested?
Q train and the F train.
Alright, which one you want to unbox first?
The F train.
Alright, let's do this. You didn't want the Express last year though, didn't you?
No, I specifically wanted the local, 6th Avenue.
Why
local.
Why do you want the local?
Because I want all stops. Is always a good train.
Right. What do you think of it?
I love the design, realistic design, feels true to detail, runs very well to scale, and always everything's so
Have you brought some wooden tracks yet?
Not yet, but I'm going to.
Alright, well you got the Q train left. Let's unbox it.
Let's go unbox the Q train. So we have, face this way, this one, we have the Q,
the R46
Express,
so you got the
R46Q.
Alright, so your dreams come true?
Yes, both the Q6 Avenue local and the Broadway Express on the Q.
Alright, so how are the other trains I brought you to and where do you put them?
So they're in my collection, in my train collection.
And last but not least, now this one is for you to have a look. So we think about this, the articulated bus, the brand new one. Do you want it or have a look?
So it's articulated bus, so which means the bus has an articulated joint in the middle. So
what do you think of it? Do you think it's smooth in your view?
It turns very smoothly and it goes around corners very well. And it's very flexible, it's bendiness, it's very maneuverable, especially for tight inner city streets.
Do you want to run this?
Yes, I'm very happy. And the bus with blue colour, blue and white colour, very true design, and how smooth it rolls too. Smooth rolling.
Alright, so you want one of these?
Yes, I would truly love one of those.
Alright, I'll get it next time when I go. And last but not least, this
MetroCard.
Yeah, but what is this one? This is the last
Instagram.
Instagram
version. The Instagram Metro Transit card. For paying all those fares for all the freaking trains.
This is actually expires on the 31st of March 2026. So you can still use it as much as you can. But this, I think, this is one of the last ones when it comes to major different variations compared to the normal Metro card. So was your wish list fulfilled this year? What do you want next year?
So Ryan bus.
Yep.
Articulated bus.
Yep.
And the M train, this one here.
You want an M train?
Yes.
Alright, okay. Your collection's just going to be increasing. Looking forward to it?
Yes, I most definitely do.
Okay, so last but not least, you're going to pick your favorites, Q or the F?
The F train here, of course.
Tomorrow Sunday at 10 AM is time for more J-Train real subway action, this time at Alabama Avenue. Plus a wide shot of the L train at Atlantic Avenue from the distance. See you at the platform.